Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today we're going to be working on this Chevy S10 pickup truck. We're going to be adding a piece of exhaust pipe underneath. Someone had cut off the catalytic converter, took part of the pipe with it. So we're just going to go ahead and run an extension from the exhaust manifold where it's coming out and reconnect it so it feeds through the muffler and cuts down on the noise. So let's go ahead and go underneath and get started. Here's the pipe right here coming off the exhaust manifold where they cut it. And then you can see right back up here is where the catalytic converter was in here, where they pulled that out and cut that too. So we're going to get a piece of piping, go ahead and connect this joint right here, so that way it at least runs through the muffler and silences the noise. Right now it's very noisy. Let's go ahead and take a listen. What I'm going to do is get a measurement for the diameter of the pipe and the length that we need, and then we'll head to the auto parts store, get that piece, and then we'll just connect it with some JB Weld compound with a 3600 PSI. Since this is not a lot of strain on that, I don't really feel the need to actually weld it with the welding gun, so we'll just use the compound just to put it together, and then at a later date when the owner of this vehicle is ready to put the catalytic converter, then we'll go ahead and weld it with the welding gun and put all that on. But right now we're just trying to silence that and run it through the muffler. Okay. Alright, this looks like this is the right inner and outer diameter. Length is 18, we need 20 inches, so we'll go ahead and go with one of these adapters too. And I think we can put it all together. Alright, we're headed back from the auto store now. We got the pipes that were needed, just a little over 12 bucks, and that was for 18-inch pipe and then the adapter to bring it up to the 20 inches that we need. So we're headed back now to put that on. Alright, so we're cleaning out the inside here, so we get a nice good fit, and so the JB Weld will bond properly. Let's clear that out real good, that way we get the good contact. Alright, we're using the JB Weld quick set where you have the steel compound, the hardener, mixing it now, and then this thing sets in about 6 minutes. So we'll go ahead and connect that to the pipe fittings, join everything together, give it about 6 minutes to harden, and then you need probably about 24 hours to fully cure. Went ahead and connected the adapter here on this end, cleaned the pipe off, put some JB Weld in there. You can see it's hardening right now. And then here's the other pipe that we connected here. Once that's done, then we're going to go ahead and lift that, make that connection, bond that together. And I think we'll be good to go. We'll start the truck up and make sure that quiets things down. Go ahead and bond these two together. We have the compound on there. Just need to get it on. Pull that down. Slide that in. Okay. There we go. Go ahead and lock that in. Perfect. There's the connection right there, the joint. You can see it there. And going all the way down. There's a shot of the new pipe put in place with the JB Weld. We went ahead and scarred around that decal, so it is bonding on the inside, just for anyone who's going to comment about that. But that's where it's attached right there. And everything is done. Let's go ahead and start up the car and see if it makes a difference. Well, pretty much wrapped it up. Everything's been secured, everything's bound together, it's secure and tight. We checked it. Keep in mind this is a quick fix. Normally I would like to hit it with a welding gun and do it right. At a later time, the owner of this vehicle may actually come back, and we'll go ahead and do it the proper way with a welding gun and get the catalytic converter put back on there. But right now they just needed a quick fix so they don't get a ticket from the loud noise of the open exhaust. So please, any questions, comments, once again we thank you for your support. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.